Hey guys, what is up? I was in the middle of getting ready and I just thought, why not film something in the meantime? I guess you can say this is a get ready with me to go nowhere kind of thing. But from being in the house all the time, we've obviously been running out pretty short of groceries. I need to go get some stuff. So I'm just trying to do the quickest little... just something to keep me busy, honestly. Like, I know I could go to Publix right now without any makeup, but I guess to kind of just entertain myself and do a little something. I was thinking of filming something more like in depth, but I'm kind of waiting for certain things to come. I'm testing out a couple products right now and it's like seeing how the product's working out on my skin. So I think I'm just gonna do concealer. So what have you guys been doing as far as this social distancing stuff and everything? I mean, like right now, I have a whole list of things that I could probably do to kind of just keep myself busy. But I'm spacing out the stuff. I don't know if that makes sense, but let me explain. So I know what I want to do more or less. Like, I know I want to do my nails. I used to always get my nails done every 2 weeks. I just was like that, but obviously you can see that now I don't get them done. I actually invested in a machine a long time ago. So one thing was I stopped doing my nails at the salon and I went on Amazon and I purchased my own little LED UV like lamp. And I purchased my own gel colors, like the nails. You can order all of this off Amazon and it's super inexpensive. And honestly, in the long run, you save so much money because you can just do everything at home. I've been trying to maintain my room and keep my room clean and everything. I think the next thing I want to do is go through all of my drawers and just make sure that whatever is in those drawers is stuff that I'm actually gonna use. A lot of my drawers, like I have so many drawers and they're all jam-packed of shit that I really honestly need to just get rid of and I just don't need it anymore. And hoarding it there and keeping it there, that's not even healthy, guys. So that was one thing off my list. Check my drawers and check my closet because there's stuff in my closet that till this day I bought like a couple years ago and they still have the tag. I do have a couple things, but I don't have like a whole to-do list of what like to do either. Every day too, when I come up with like new ideas for like this channel and stuff like that, I do write them down in my notes like on this channel too. This has been keeping me busy too, believe it or not, this little YouTube channel of mine. I know that I could also clean my car too, so that's next on my list too. Like not wear makeup. Believe it or not, guys, I have not been wearing makeup in the house. Obviously I have not. But I only did my makeup like right now to go to Publix just so I can look a little more awake. We'll see. I grabbed so much on that brush, like don't mind me. I'm very nervous too, guys. Like I don't know why, but I decided to take this semester off because being in school for me sometimes like can be very frustrating and a lot of times super overwhelming. I doubt myself a lot when I go to school and that's why I just needed a semester off. I knew what was best for me. And there's nothing wrong with that, guys. But if you feel like you need a semester off, then take that semester off. And you shouldn't feel guilty too if you take that semester off. I blank out, I freak out, I don't handle it well, so that's what happens with me. I'm gonna put some here. But I'm gonna just try to stay positive this semester. I think I'm just worried because I'm not gonna be in community college anymore. I'm gonna be at an actual university. I'm not in a regular classroom setting anymore. I'm in a big auditorium with like hundreds of other kids. I don't know why, but that overwhelms me so bad. I've only ever had class in an auditorium once, and that was last semester. And even then, like we were spaced out and it wasn't like hundreds of kids. It was like the most 30 kids just spread out in the whole auditorium and stuff. I'm just trying to remain positive and just not worry so much. I try not to go out, only like when I really need to, and right now we're kind of running low on a couple things, so I don't mind being in the house, but after a while it's like I just want to go outside. So sometimes I just walk outside with my dog. What's gonna happen once I go through my entire list? Like do I do everything again? Do I check my closet again? Do I cause damn, like it's getting to a point where I'm like, oh my god, what's gonna happen when I run out of things to do? I'm also gonna be filming for my channel and stuff like that. I'm gonna curl my lashes if I can find my lash curler. So this is the final look. I mean, this wasn't supposed to be anything grand or whatever. All I have is like a little bun. Really, it's a pretty messy bun, and I just have my bangs blown out. But yeah, guys, this is it. I think I went a little overboard than what I wanted to be honest. I was just supposed to go to the grocery store. I'm gonna try and link everything down in the description bar if I can't remember what I used, because I kind of just picked whatever and chose whatever and stuff. But if you guys have any questions, let me know, and thank you so much. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you've already gotten this far, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much, guys. I'll see you guys. Bye.